Welcome back. The DGP of Goa has maintained that the Goa Police needs a complete overhaul in the discipline amongst the force. The police department will have zero tolerance to drugs and flesh trade on in Goa. To take care of the discipline in the police force, the DGP has planned for refresher courses for the constables and the head constables. The coastal security is also being beefed up. Watch this report.
Today we are here with the Director General of Police of Goa, Kishan Kumar. Hello sir.
Hello.
So actually I have some questions for you. These massage parlors are being raided these days. What is the police doing? Is this a normal inquiry, normal course of inquiry, or is it a special task you all have taken up?
No, it is a special drive because there is a general impression that these massage parlors, if not all, but many of the massage parlors are the centers of the flesh trade. And we found that yes, there is truth in this. And that's why, as you have seen during last 4-5 days, we have conducted many raids, and so we will not stop it here. We will continue with our action. We have adopted a policy of zero tolerance, especially for two things. One is prostitution, and second is drug peddling. We have suggested, one of the suggestion is the installation of CCTV systems, especially in the shacks. Government has recently sanctioned another 4 coastal police stations, and we are in the process of buying more boats.
Sir, how do you plan to put discipline amongst the own force which is responsible for putting in discipline into the public?
You see, I have never tolerated any indiscipline on the part of a police personnel. When a police personnel indulge in illegal activity, it's a very serious matter. Seriously, we have to try sincerely, and I'm sure with our sustained efforts over a period of time, certainly discipline will improve, professionalism will improve, and there will be certainly improvement in the image of police.
The Director General of Police has shown readiness to overhaul the whole policing system in Goa. Drugs, flash trade, security and police discipline. He is on to address all these issues together. With camera person Dinesh Karpe, Pratik Vasudev Parab for Prudent Media.
Major fire triggered off explosive blast inside a firecracker unit at Shivkashi in Chennai, the main hub of firecrackers manufacturing in the country. The incident occurred on Wednesday. About 50 people died of burns and shrapnel injuries. Over 70 were injured. There are possibilities of rise in death toll. This is one of the horrific incidents when the Savat festival is just round the corner.
A major fire triggered off explosive blast inside a firecracker unit, Om Shakti factory at Sivakasi in Virudanagar district in Chennai on Wednesday afternoon. 50 people were reported dead and more than 70 are injured. Death toll could be much higher. Sources say that around 300 people were inside the unit. On hearing the explosion, lots of workers rushed out. The injured have been admitted to local Sivakasi government hospital and many driven to Madurai General Hospital. The police officials admitted that the firefighters were unable to enter the premises. Several among the injured are said to be in critical condition and the death toll could be much higher, police officials fear. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The Chinmaya mission's program Transforming Indians to Transform India was inaugurated on Tuesday at the hands of the Governor of Goa, Bharat Veer Vanchu. The program has been organized to commemorate the centenary celebration of Chinmaya mission. The Chinmaya mission has organized a countrywide quiz contest as a part of this celebration.
The Transforming Indians to Transform India quiz of the Chinmaya mission targets of reaching over 1 lakh people in Goa. Open for all age groups, quiz will be conducted on the basis of the book published by the Chinmaya mission and will be played in various rounds.
And this is basically a part of the centenary birth celebrations of a very, very great individual and a soul, Pujya Swami Chinmayananji, who was a founder of a phenomenal movement like the Chinmaya mission. As a tribute to the memory of this great soul, Chinmaya mission rightly decided that we should have a quiz competition.
During the launch function of the quiz, the former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission, Dr. Anil Kakodkar, said that the country is passing through a stage of crisis of character. He has requested all the Goans to keep wisdom above IT and knowledge.
Today we often hear among the several crises that we are passing through, perhaps the biggest crisis that we are passing through is the crisis of character. I think as we are reaching the birth centenary of Swami Chinmaya, and I'm pretty certain it will have a lasting impact on the nation.
A reporter from Panji, Pratik Parab, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Enterprise Resource Planning Training for Engineering Students (SEP) certification program was launched on Tuesday. This is a Goa government's Golden Jubilee initiative with the Dempo Charities Trust for Employability Enhancement.
Enterprise Resource Planning Training for Engineering Students (SAP) certification program was inaugurated by the Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar on Tuesday. This is an initiative of Dempo's Charities Trust. Chairman Dempo Group of Industries Srinivas Dempo, Vice President of SAP Asia Pacific Japan Duncan Williamson, Director of Directorate of Technical Education Vivek Kamath, Principal of SS Dempo College Dr. Radhika Naik were present for the launch.
This is yet another step for us at Dempos towards meeting our obligations towards the Goan society. We are giving companies an option of trained students that to train by the best company in enterprise resource planning, that is SAP, and who are very ably assisted by V3IT, who are their partners in this part of the world.
We're having a challenge around jobs, is that whilst there might be a challenge for jobs, there is no challenge in terms of SAP skills. There is a shortage of SAP skills in every market.
This course is one of the compensated course provided by the joint initiative of Government of Goa and Dempo Group of Industries.
It is a Dempo initiative for the students of Goa. For the engineering students, the course has been offered to the Government of Goa at 1,28,000. Government in turn is going to reimburse 50% of that 1,28,000 to the students on successful completion of the course. The OBC and SC/ST and girl students will be reimbursed 75% of 1,28,000.
A senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar for Prudent Media.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.